Hey Sarah, what are you doing?
Hi, we've just got back to the cortico. This is the extractor, and I'm just giving it a wash down before I put it back for the next session.
What's the extractor?
This is what I put underneath the chickens' egg laying boxes. The eggs fall into here, roll down, and then they're saved in the crate until I can come and collect them up, the eggs.
So what are you doing? Cleaning it?
Yes.
Let's have a watch of you blasting it away. Right. Hey, so this is very easy to clean, yeah?
Yes, it's got like wire mesh, and I'm just using a hoof pick and a spray just to get. Sometimes some of the eggs might break because they're older and thinner shelled.
Oh, so when you came up this time, how long had you been away for?
About 3 weeks.
So the chickens were totally unattended for 3 weeks, yeah?
They have all their food and water.
And how many eggs were there when you got back?
60 eggs that were fine, and then the ones that were slightly cracked, I gave back to the hens to eat.
This one's already clean, huh?
Yeah, that's the
You're going to give us a demonstration of that? Is that a false egg there you got there?
No, it's a real egg.
That's a real egg?
Yeah.
Okay, give us a demonstration of, what's it called again?
The Eggstractor.
Ah, did you buy this?
No, I made it.
Oh, you made it?
I invented it.
What, did you follow some instructions that you got on internet?
No, it was just an idea I had of a way of keeping all the eggs together so that the hens couldn't get at the eggs and they couldn't eat them.
So you designed the whole thing?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty impressive.
So
you're going to give us a demonstration. So that's where the egg would be laid normally by a chicken if it was in that position?
Yes, the egg drops down.
Brilliant.
It goes to the bottom.
And how do you get the egg out of the extractor?
I've got this hole here. Put my hand in.
Can we watch again?
The egg. Yeah, I'll put it this side this time.
Fantastic. So
and rolls right to the end.
So the egg, you take the force out of the egg so it can't crack, and then it allows lots of eggs to fall down, and then to gradually fill up the whole extractor with eggs.
They're different layers, so it's like one rolls that way, then that way, and then the tweak that I've done today was to raise the bottom layer slightly so that they roll to the end.
And
put your hand in.
And how many eggs could you get in the extractor?
I'd say about 120 each.
120?
Yeah. More. Do you know what I mean? There's like, you probably get about 40, 50 on each layer, so you're looking at about 150, 200, something like that.
Oh, great. Thanks for telling us about the extractor.